Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the viral latte makeup look, focusing more on the eyes, but I did add a little bit to the cheeks and lip that I'll show you. Obviously I put other makeup on first, but we're focusing mainly on the eye look today. So if you guys would like to see how I created my version of the latte makeup look, then just keep watching. For the base, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I have it in the shade 4 medium, so it's a little bit deeper. So it should give us a nice shimmery finish on the eyelids, hydrated with some depth. I'm going to go in with a flat brush and just pop that on. Yes, it's giving the exact vibe that I wanted it to. It's like a creamy, light latte. We're going to add some depth with some other products. I'm going to go in with the Face Off bronze from Hard Candy. This is a bronzer. It's in the shade Sweet Tea, and it is a golden bronzer with some flicks of like shimmer in it. So this will be perfect for the latte look, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner. And then on the lid, I'm going to use the same flat brush since it's already got the cream products on it. Just going to lift my eye, push the product around where I want it. Now I'm going to go in with my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. This one is from Prideful, and I'm going to go over the whole lid. I want to just kind of set the cream products, also blend them in together, and just make it more of like the latte look. Just tapping my brush all over my lid, all over my brow bone. I'm going to go under the eye as well with the Physician Formula bronzer. Now I'm going to take my Milk Makeup bronzer in the shade Blaze. This is my deepest contour bronzer color. I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to use this as an eyeliner. Keep it really just neutrals and browns and creamy products to give it the latte feel. And when you're using the bronze tones that you would use on your face, it just kind of ties it all in and gives it a really monochromatic look. So you've already used these products on your cheek, all over your face, and it's just really helping tie in the rest of the look. They're all really similar neutral tones with a little bit different depths. So they just blend together so nicely. gonna go under the eye, in the outer corner. I'm gonna add a little bit more depth to the outer corner, so I'm going in with my hard candy bronzer in the shade Tan. This one is a little bit deeper than the butter bronzer. So I'm just sticking to the outer corner. You can push that right up to the brow bone, actually. I'm just gonna take some of the Tower 28 Illuminating Bronzer in the shade West Coast and just pop that up on the cheekbones. Just to add a little bit of a golden highlight to the cheeks, a little bit on the nose and on my lips. I just put on a little bit of mascara. Brown mascara probably would have been better for the latte look, but all I had was black, so I used that. I just put a little bit of my Sun Bum Watermelon SPF lip balm over top of the West Coast bronzer, as well as line my lips with my usual, never changes. So put some of that on, and yeah, this is the final product. This is my take on the latte makeup look. I think it's really important to bring in all the bronzers that you used on your face. I didn't use any eyeshadows, so you can easily do it with any of your cream bronzers and powder bronzers and create this look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.